So I wanted to share a little trick that I do to conceal my under eye dark circles on those days that I just don't really want to put on a full face of makeup. Now I have horrendous hay fever / allergy. And them things, when they kick up, I be trying to rub my eyeball smooth out of my eye socket. You hear me? And because I do this all the time, I now have under eyes that are very disrespectful. I also get this very deep inner nostril itch that only this very violent motion can cure. And doing this causes the sides of my nose to become also very disrespectful. So I had to correct this hyperpigmentation so I don't look crazy out here in these streets. I mean, on the days that I don't want to. There are a couple of things you can do to hide this. On those no makeup days, I like to use this under eye brightener and focus specifically on my problem area. I use a very small flat brush to almost just lay the product down. And I slowly go about doing this using just a small amount that I can build up as I need. I also hit the sides of my nose where my other hyperpigmentation trouble areas are using the same kind of technique, all right? So, and then I have to go in with a larger flat brush to blend in the product that I just laid down so that we don't have any harsh or unblended lines. Now remember, we're not going to be using any foundation or anything, so we need to make sure that this is blended out very well, but doing so that we're not disturbing the product and causing it to just be blended away. I recommend having a number of mirrors anytime you're doing your makeup just so you can check all them angles, girl. Now, can you see the difference? Not only did doing this conceal the under eye problem areas, but it also kind of added like a bit more shape to the eye and make the entire side of my face look brighter, look tighter, and lifted. Now, I'm going in with a setting powder because anytime you use any sort of liquid or cream product, you need to go back in to set it with powder so that it lasts all day and it doesn't move. Okay, I'm using a very finely milled powder that is the same color as my skin because we're not trying to create a major contrast. I'm not trying to create dimension or depth to the face at all. I'm just trying to not look like what I've been through. Okay, fine. Now go spread the word. Bye.